So, today, I didn't expect this. The Master Grade JEGAN. I got it from my local GameStop. I'm not really meant for these kind of boxes, but yeah, it cost me $45. Now, a lot of people have been asking for a Master Grade JEGAN for a while. Okay, let's bust it open. Boy. Ooh. Get some markings. We have translucent plastic. We have that translucent plastic. Have the sand green. Translucent plastic. Some black parts. The bag with the decals. Some of the red parts. Them hands though, wide open. The waist. Most of the red parts will go to the waist. Got the orange bits. Got parts for the shield, the beam rifle, the magazine or clip, and the beam sabers. And more sand green parts. Ooh, darker green. Looks like that's the antenna, stuff for the head. The shield. Looks like for the legs. There's the shins, I suppose. The chest, ankle guards. More yellowish orange. Inner frame. Sorry if you can't see this. I'm trying my best. There, the hips, trigger finger. Looks like duplicate for the feet. Okay, and then we get to the manual. Let me get this out of here. The manual. Got some stuff about JEGAN. What? Sorry, my cat. The runners, it looks like. Then some parts. If you ever get this, it shows what part to cut nubs off, where to apply the decals. Okay, and after some readjusting of the stand, starts off with the torso, and it lays out the runners, of which the construction then goes from the head, then the arms, which I actually think it should go from the torso, head, legs, and arms, or the legs, torso, arms, and the head. I think that. And then colored parts. Pilot figure. Panel lining, I suppose. The color guide. And the Jaradoga. I think that's what it's called. But that came out as a Reborn 100. And then some poses. The inner frame. Some more poses. And then the leg construction. Hips. Which the hips have a sliding gimmick. Then, yep, sliding gimmick. Those are actually grenades. And then finishing off with the weapons. Oh, I've missed a page. Then the weapons, thrusters, and then what the kit will look like. Okay, and I will be live streaming this on Facebook, perhaps. So, Resonance out.